You eat ginger every day. What happens to the body? First of all, your stomach is like a sophisticated piece of equipment. Ginger seems to be like a professional massage to the stomach, which can promote the secretion of digestive juices, speed up the digestion of food, and let you say goodbye to stomach upset and enjoy your food. Want to say goodbye to those annoying nausea and vomiting? Ginger is your best choice, especially for pregnant women and chemotherapy patients. As a refreshing and soothing drink, ginger can be a great aid to your blood sugar control, providing additional protection for diabetics and making blood sugar more stable. But that's not all. The gingerol in ginger acts as a magic shield against free radical attacks in the body, building a strong line of defense for cells. Gingerol does more than that. It is also an excellent anti-inflammatory fighter, providing strong support for joint and physical comfort. Ginger is like a joint nurse, warm and relieve joint pain, bring you a relaxed life. Follow me to learn more about health.